Project management at Google, tools and success stories. Google is well known worldwide for its technological advancements and innovative project execution.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Behind the scenes, however, Google's project management is what makes these achievements possible. Google changed project management through advanced tools, collaboration, and a distinctive work culture. This article thoroughly explores the resources, tactics, and stories that set Google apart as a project management leader. The foundation of project management at Google. Google's project management system is more than just a procedure, it is a dynamic, well-organized framework that forms the foundation of the business's international operations. It is made to guarantee that every project flows naturally from the objective of Google and innovation, which is to organize the world's knowledge and make it useful and accessible to everyone. Google frequently finishes projects that transform industries and set benchmarks for success by combining modern technology, a progressive setting, and collaborative teamwork. Agile approaches, data-driven decision-making, and visionary leadership are the cornerstones of Google's project management. In an always evolving web-based scenario, these components allow the organization to stay at the center of innovation and guarantee that projects remain impactful and relevant. Core elements of Google's project management strategy. The key elements of Google's project management include 1. Technology at the core. Google uses advanced tools like Google Workspace, cloud products, and AI-powered APIs to automate tasks, improve communication, and manage resources effectively. 2. Adaptability. Agile methods allow teams to work in smaller cycles, quickly adjusting to changes or challenges to keep projects on track and relevant. 3. Collaboration. Teams from different departments work together to bring diverse perspectives and ensure all parts of a project are handled with care. 4. User-first approach. Every project is centered on solving real problems and enhancing user experience, keeping people's needs a priority. Google's framework is scalable, handling everything from small experiments to global launches. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, the system ensures consistent success while maintaining a user-driven approach. Tools that power project management at Google. Google relies on a mix of proprietary and external tools to manage its projects efficiently. These tools are designed to facilitate communication, enhance productivity, and track project milestones. Google Chat, a hub for quick team conversations and brainstorming. Enables seamless file sharing within chat spaces. Google Workspace and Google Cloud products. Google integrates several products to streamline project workflows. Chat API handles interaction events, making project discussions interactive. Vertex AI API assists in drafting user stories for projects. Firestore stores critical data about user stories and project details. Cloud Functions hosts HTTP endpoints for streamlined interaction between tools. Google Cloud Projects serves as the foundation for all Google Cloud services. Asana, an external project management tool used by Google to manage complex projects through robust task management features. Sheets, used for creating dynamic project plans and Gantt charts, offering a visual representation of timelines and milestones. Team Calendar tracks team meetings, vacation schedules, and overall availability to ensure project timelines are not disrupted. Project Calendar keeps a close eye on project milestones and deadlines, ensuring timely completion. Iconic projects and their execution. Google's project management principles shine through its successful execution of iconic projects. Here's how project management at Google has contributed to these successes. Google Search, the cornerstone of innovation. Google's journey began with its search engine, a revolutionary product that changed how people accessed information. Iterative development, regular updates like PageRank and AI-driven features were implemented incrementally to improve user experience. Collaboration and scalability, cross-functional teams worked to scale the product for global use. Android OS, dominating the mobile world. When Google acquired Android Incorporated, it adopted a visionary approach to transform mobile operating systems. Strategic integration leveraged Google Cloud and Workspace tools to accelerate development. User-centric focus, continuous updates, and user feedback refined the operating system. Google Cloud, redefining enterprise solutions. Google Cloud exemplifies Google's leadership in cloud computing and enterprise services. Data-driven decisions leveraged AI and big data to design services like Google Kubernetes Engine. Collaborative processes engaged with external stakeholders to align solutions with market demands. The role of leadership in project management at Google. Leadership is pivotal in maintaining efficiency and innovation in Google's projects. Empowering teams, by allowing workers to take charge of their projects, leaders promote innovation. Psychological safety, Google's culture promotes employees to freely express their thoughts and worries. Communication and transparency, open lines of communication and frequent updates help teams work toward shared objectives. Key lessons from Google's project management. Organizations can gain invaluable insights from project management at Google to improve their own processes. Adopt advanced tools. Use integrated tools like Google Workspace to streamline workflows. Encourage cross-functional teams. Foster collaboration across different departments. Prioritize milestones. Use project calendars to track deadlines and deliverables. Embrace agility. Stay flexible and adapt to changing project requirements. Focus on end users. Align projects with user needs for greater success. Challenges in managing projects at Google. Even with its robust systems, Google faces challenges in project management. Scaling issues. Managing large-scale projects across global teams can create communication bottlenecks. Third-party integrations. Collaborations with external partners occasionally expose projects to vulnerabilities. Balancing innovation with timelines. Delivering innovative products within tight deadlines requires precision. Google addresses these challenges by leveraging advanced technology and fostering a culture of continuous improvement.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.